When it passes 80, summer really starts to call for a Tom Collins. So, we're going to fill a shaker with ice, and we're going to add 2 ounces of gin. Just using Beefeater here, that's fine. You can go a little heavy if you want. Pour it in there. Look at that clipper go. Gateway Clipper, we salute your service. Take a lemon, juice it. It should be about an ounce of lemon juice or so. Now you're going to add some simple syrup next. I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce. You want a little bit less sugar than your lemon juice. Now you're going to top that off and give it a good shake. Oh, that feels good in your hand. It starts to get cold. Put some ice down into a Collins glass or a highball glass or really just a tall glass. Strain it out into that. Now top it with that soda water. And that's calorie free right there. That's a win. And bubbles. Give it a gentle stir. Now you're going to want to garnish with a little bit of lemon here. You could find something green, but don't. Just a lemon. That's it. Yum, 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 yum.